Hello everyone. Today we will create a simple wave animation using what we've learned in our wave animation series lessons. I have arranged my visuals like this in the Illustrator file and uploaded my files here. I changed their colors so my files don't get mixed up. You can do the same. First, I draw a rectangle. I add the wave warp effect from the effects panel to the shape layer I created. I make my adjustments. I copy the wave I created by pressing Command+C and Command+Phi. I change the settings of some of the copied waves to make them more dynamic. Next, I adjust the position values. For the rotation value, I adjust the wobble the ship will experience while moving through the waves. I adjust the rotation value again. I apply Easy Ease for smooth transitions. Next, it's time for the clouds. I adjust the position values of the clouds. This will make my animation a bit more dynamic. We created a simple animation with what we've learned for the beginner level. In the next lessons of this series, we will move on to intermediate and advanced techniques, and I'll demonstrate different applications. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lessons.